When you visit answerplot.com after harvest and see yield results, do you think, yeah, but how do these data points compare to my operation? Do these numbers come from halfway across the country? Those numbers compare to your operation because those numbers come from near your operation. The Winfield AnswerPlot program has nearly 200 locations across the country for a reason, because you want to see yield results and data that have seen the same conditions your fields do. So when you were harvesting your crops and looking at yield results, our 18 AnswerPlot research teams were also riding the combines and combing through data to find the nuggets of information that you want to see. But before harvest, when you were managing your crops, our teams were doing the same in each of our AnswerPlot locations. They were checking how crops were responding to the same conditions your fields were seeing, identifying regional issues that were cropping up, taking tissue samples to check for deficiencies, and seeing how effective crop protection products were, from micronutrients to adjuvants. And when you were planting, AnswerPlot locations were being planted. Our research teams were getting down to the inch to plant competitor products, partner products, and Winfield products in side-by-side trials. And we know testing something once doesn't tell us much, so we test again and again. We do this because we know certain products outperform others, and if that's the case, we're more than happy to share those results. Each of the more than 600,000 seed packets and all the equipment that went out to our AnswerPlot locations came from one location, our AnswerPlot Shared Operations Facility in Vincent, Iowa. We didn't just send any seed out. Our experts thought long and hard about which genetics would fit well with the conditions in different regions. They also know it's not just corn and soybean results you want to see, so they look at other crops grown in your region and test some of those too. A lot goes into planning and prepping for each AnswerPlot location here. That's how we get the accurate data you'll eventually see here when you start planning for next year.